Hi, this is Munmun Datta and welcome home. 1 minute, please remove your shoes. That's the first principle before entering my home. Welcome. So, for the first time in my life, I'm inviting the outside world to my house. So now that you are here, welcome home. ये मेरा बहुत प्यारा सा घर है और मैंने इसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत से बनाया है और इस घर को, पूरे घर को मैंने डिज़ाइन किया है. सो इस घर में हम 4 मेंबर्स रहते हैं. मैं, मेरी मॉम एंड मेरी 2 कैट्स, मेरी माऊ एंड मेरी कुकी. सो दिस इज़ माई लिविंग रूम. So everything in this house, everything in this apartment is in a very muted color, muted tone. और एक खासियत है मेरे घर का ये कलर के साथ साथ that I do have a white and grey combination, but I also have a lot of gold and rose gold color. So which pops out from here. Like for example, chairs पे gold है, मेरे table पे gold है. I have the lights which has got rose gold, base. Few of my artifacts, most of my artifacts are actually gold in color. When I had bought this apartment, I just knew that I want to make lot of seating arrangements for people. मैंने मेरे घर की हर एक चीज़ें बनवाई है. Everything has been measured and has been made. I'm very proud of my couch because I have this lovely, big couch which can accommodate at least 6 to 7 people आराम से. I really wanted a nice big dining table in my new apartment. मैंने इसे बनवाया है. A lot of people think, oh, you must have bought it, but no, I actually made it. I bought the stone, I made the frame. This is what it is, and this is where we sit, we dine, we chill, and yeah. I wanted those pop of colors because ये पूरा white and grey है, तो I wanted that pop of colors और मुझे exactly उसी तरह की चीज़ें मुझे मिली है. Be it my carpet, which is also hand woven carpet, plus I have all these beautiful paintings which has got lot of colors. मैंने walls में ये जो paneling की है, ये काफ़ी last moment था मेरा. So I just wanted to divide these walls so that I can keep different wall art or paintings, and it just gives a very nice symmetry. I think the entire designing changes if you have a good paneling, and उस paneling को अगर आपने अच्छे से use किया है to make that wall pop out. So this is my kitchen. Let me take you here. When I was first buying this house, I saw that the kitchen is really huge. Like 2 लोग 3 लोग यहाँ पे आराम से खड़े होके काम कर सकते हैं. This is a grey kitchen that I had decided to make, grey and black combination. I wanted black glass. Over here there are 2 more black glasses over here. Bottles को भी grey color का रखा है because I just wanted to have that combination. Plus you can see that there is a niche that I had kept over here जहाँ पे मैंने ये display में ये रखा है. So it just gives a little pop of color. Hi mama. Hi baby. We know this is my mom. Everybody knows her now. ये वॉल अभी तक खाली है because यहाँ पे मेरा पिक्चर वॉल बनने वाला है. मेरे ट्रैवल पिक्चर्स, मेरे फैमिली पिक्चर्स, वो सब यहाँ पे होने वाला है. And now let me take you to my mom's bedroom, which is also the guest bedroom. Come. This is my mom's bedroom, which I also call my guest bedroom. और मॉम कभी कभी गुस्सा हो जाती है. अच्छा, so this is a guest bedroom. I said yeah, because you behave like a guest. तुम रहती नहीं हो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा. Over here you won't find much colors other than the golden colors because मैंने ये वाले रूम में मुझे गोल्ड वाला कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए था, इसलिए जो मेरा ये वॉलपेपर है वो भी इसमें गोल्ड वो फ्लेक्स आपको दिखेंगे यहाँ पे. आई रियली वांटेड दिस पैटर्न में एंड ग्रीन कलर में हेडबोर्ड. Also I've kept a chair over here which has got a nice pop of yellow color. So now welcome to my bedroom. This is also again a very white muted color. So I have an accent wall over here जिसमें एक बहुत प्यारा सा bright wallpaper है, एक बहुत प्यारा सा painting है. Another beautiful thing about this apartment is it came with a balcony, and I had a desire, I had a dream that I really want a balcony in my apartment, even if it's small. इस balcony में ये जो light है ये मैं टर्की से लेके आई थी जब मैं गई थी। सो मुझे पता था कि मुझे वो लाइट यहाँ पे बालकनी में लगाना है। सो देयर यू गो, दिस इज़ माई लिटिल होम इन बॉम्बे। ये मेरी बहुत मेहनत का नतीजा है। आई थिंक आई हैव कम अ लॉन्ग वे एंड आई एम सुपर प्राउड ऑफ इट। और एक बात मुझे ये भी बोलना है कि ये मैंने बहुत सोच के उसके बाद मैं नतीजे में पहुंची थी कि मुझे होम टूर करना है, बिकॉज आई एम एन एक्सट्रीमली प्राइवेट पर्सन और आई डिडंट वांट एनीवन टू कम इनटू माय प्राइवेट स्पेस, but there you go, I have a home tour now on my channel. I hope you guys like it and I'll see you soon in my next video whenever it comes.